Hello everyone, it's another one of my updates. I'm building this teardrop trailer. I have just mostly completed the trailer frame. Notice it has 13-inch radial tires. I got a deal on these from Canadian Tire. They were on for $99.95 Canadian each for each wheel and tire assembly, which worked out nicely because I didn't want huge tires and wheels on this. I wanted to keep the weight down, obviously. And what I did today, I finished welding everything up, mounted the suspension. It has independent, I think they're called Flexi Ride. I got them from Circa Industries in Milton. They make them up for you. So everything's welded up. I don't have a tongue jack yet. I haven't really decided on whether I want a side jack or one that will bolt right into the hitch here, whatever it's called. You'll notice, I don't know if you can see it that well from where the camera is, but I had some leftover Phylon. I was kind of wondering what I should do to make it easy to slide the trailer onto or slide the box onto the trailer, because it's building it. I've been building this to be deliberately removable so that the box could also go in the back of a pickup truck if you wanted to do it that way. So there'll be 4 bolts that'll be drilled down through the floor of the trailer, and I'm going to thread them. So all it will take is sliding the trailer in the right place, dropping the bolts in, and giving them a tighten up, and then the trailer will be secured to the frame, or the box will be secured to the trailer. Anyway, I'll show you what else has been accomplished. I did make a YouTube video, but unfortunately, or not a YouTube, a GoPro, but unfortunately, it got lost in the metaverse somewhere. So what we've done is, see this extra strip down here? That's also to make it easy to slide it on and off, just in case the trailer started to dig into the side, it wouldn't damage the actual body of the box. See inside here, I haven't done anything in here, but I think the last video I showed, the other side wall wasn't on yet. Now it's all on. The only thing that hasn't been done yet is trimming this lip. I'm going to do that after I put the frame under the box. And again, another extra piece of Phylon just to protect the sides when you're sliding the box onto the trailer, which I hope to do today. Overall, quite happy. I did make one mistake, sort of, because I didn't have the trailer sitting under the box. This door's in the right place for the box to be in the back of a pickup truck bed, but it's the wrong place for the trailer. So I was only going to have one door, but it's pretty obvious the solution is to put a door on the other side, just to make it easier. I'm still going to be able to use this door and open it up, but where the wheel is, I'm going to have to make a cutout so that the door will open over top of the wheel. And that means the opening down here won't be as wide as I'd like it to be. I don't know whether I'll buy a door for the other side or make another one. I've got, this is the door for this side. I found it pretty awkward to cut it with a jigsaw. I'm used to cutting things with forms and circle cutters and straight edges. Freehanding with a jigsaw is not one of my, I'm not that great at it. Let's put it that way. But at any rate, I've straightened it out using the belt sander. It still use a little more smoothing out. And then I will glue a strip of Phylon all the way around here and all the way around the door here. And then I'll glue on a lip on the inside of the box for the weather stripping to go to. I have lots of leftover Phylon to do these little odds and ends, like things like covering up this gap and the joint in the interior Phylon. That will all be done shortly. And again, I haven't finished trimming this overhang yet. That doesn't really take that long, but it does make a big mess. Of course, cutting Phylon with a router trim bit sends those little dusty pieces everywhere. I haven't got the chains on yet, and I do have a lighting set, trailer lighting set, that I'm going to mount on the frame. But I believe I'm going to, I have them already, some trailer tail lights to mount on the back of the box. And I'm going to wire them both up to a harness with a couple of extra 4-pin flat connectors, so that when you take the box off the trailer, you can unplug the lights and then plug them into your pickup truck, so you have your extra tail lights. Because even on an F-150, this is still gonna probably hang out the back a little bit. So you don't want it to block the view of the tail lights on your truck. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.